we're just getting the news now that the judge has determined that Paul Manafort will go to jail and his bail has been revoked. What else do we know?
That's right. That's basically all that we've learned at this point. There is a gag order in effect for this trial, so we don't expect Paul Manafort's attorney to say anything. He made no mention of anything at all upon his entrance to the courtroom at 9:30 this morning. They entered from the other side of the courtroom, the east side, made no statement at that time. We expect nothing more after that. So bail has been revoked as of this moment in time as we speak. It means that Paul Manafort is going to be detained until his trial date in September. It also means that his separate parallel trial, which will occur in Virginia in mid-August, will mean that he will have to make an appearance in that courtroom while he is in detention in the District of Columbia. Obviously, a very bad outcome as far as Mr. Manafort is concerned. Let me just give you a little bit of background on what brought us to this. This is a new indictment that Mr. Mueller handed down last Friday. He determined that Mr. Manafort and an associate of his, Konstantin Kilimnik, a Russian national, were accused of witness tampering. In effect, Mueller had believed that the two texted, made calls to, and encrypted messages to two people with the Habsburg group. This is a political outfit in Europe that Mr. Mueller alleges was trying to influence United States politicians to promote the interests of Ukrainian politicians with links to Russia. In court filings last Friday, Manafort's attorney said that those new charges lacked any merit, and they wrote at that time on Friday, quote, "The text messages cited by the special counsel do not establish any witness tampering, and that Manafort's limited communications cannot be fairly read either factually or legally to reflect an intent to corruptly influence a trial witness." Now, the judge in this case obviously found differently. She decided to revoke bond and send Mr. Manafort into detention immediately. That's where things stand right now.